Most people spend more time planning a vacation than planning their financial future. They wake up at 65 and realize they have nothing saved because they were always going to start tomorrow. Tomorrow never came. The fix is simple. You need 3 numbers: how much you spend each month, how much you save each month, and how much you need to retire. Most people don't know any of these numbers. Open a Notes app right now and write down your monthly expenses. That's step 1. There are 2 ways to make money. You trade your time for it, like a job, or you put your money to work so it makes more money while you sleep. Broke retirees only ever did the first one. The average person works 40 years and has nothing to show for it because every dollar they made got spent. Wealthy retirees took a portion of every paycheck and put it into assets: stocks, real estate, index funds, things that grow over time without them lifting a finger. Here's something that will blow your mind. If you invest just $200 a month starting at age 25 at an average 8% return, by age 65, you'll have over $700,000. But if you wait until 35 to start, you'll have less than $300,000. Same $200 a month. A 10-year delay cost you $400,000. That's the power of compound interest. The longer your money grows, the faster it multiplies. Time is the most valuable asset you have, and most people waste it. We live in a world designed to make you spend money. New phones, new cars, subscriptions, eating out, impulse purchases. The average American spends $18,000 a year on non-essentials. That's $18,000 that could be building wealth instead. Wealthy retirees didn't deprive themselves. They were just intentional. They asked one question before every purchase: is this taking me closer to financial freedom or further away? Nobody teaches you this stuff in school. You learn algebra, but not how a 401k works. You learn history, but not how to read a stock chart. The system was never designed to make you wealthy. It was designed to make you a good employee. The people who retire wealthy took it upon themselves to learn. They read books, watched videos exactly like this one, and applied what they learned. Knowledge is the highest returning investment you will ever make.